Hello, and welcome to the assembly guide for the mid-century 6-drawer dresser.
Even if your box is damaged, it doesn't mean the product is damaged, and we offer free replacement parts if something is broken or missing. As you open and unpack the boxes, we recommend organizing all like pieces together. Our furniture is both 100% solid wood and 100% sourced from renewable forests in Brazil. If needed, feel free to tap these dowels labeled C1 into their place using a hammer. A downloadable PDF of the assembly instructions is available for download on the products page on grainwoodfurniture.com. Pieces 9, 10, and 13 are drawer panels. Insert the dowels into all 6 of each. You should pause this video now until you've attached all the dowels. When aligning the side panel glides, remember the wheel goes towards the front and bottom of the piece. Double check that the screws are driven down until they are flush with the glide to avoid potential drawer snags. If you are confused about the glides, please watch our assembly detail video highlighting the glides. You can find the link below this video in the description.
The front of piece 06 can be distinguished by the finished edge, and the top by the angled pilot holes. The base, piece 04, has one rough edge. That will be the back. The top of the base will be recognizable by the extra pilot holes for the dowels. The top, piece 01, also has pilot holes for the dowels on the underside. The back is recognizable by the unfinished, grooved edge.
These A1 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply some pressure until they catch.
Again, designate the front of piece 06 by the finished edge. Again, find the back of the base, piece 04, by the unfinished edge. Ensure the back panels, pieces labeled 07, are square into the corners and along the sides. Nail the corners first. These A4 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply pressure until they catch. There are a total of 6 drawers, so you will need to repeat these steps 6 times.
These A1 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply some pressure until they catch. Make sure the back of the drawer, piece number 12, is square to both side pieces. switching the drawer glides, remember the wheel goes towards the back and top of the drawer. If you're planning to use the anti-tipping restraint to secure your piece to the wall, please watch the video linked below. Place the labeled drawer in the top position.